The top Republican in Congress is tearing into one of his own tonight. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says Iowa Republican Congressman Steve King might want to consider getting a new job. Last week, King was quoted by the New York Times, as we've reported here, saying, "White nationalist, white supremacist, Western civilization, how did that language become offensive?" King has since said he rejects such labels, and that was a rookie mistake. This afternoon, McConnell said there is no place in the Republican Party, the Congress, or the country for an ideology of racial supremacy of any kind. "I have no tolerance for such positions, and those who espouse these views are not supporters of American ideals and freedoms." Representative King's statements are unwelcome and unworthy of his elected position. If he doesn't understand why white supremacy is offensive, he should find another line of work. Also today, Illinois Democratic Congressman Bobby Rush introduced a resolution to censure King. House Majority Whip Jim Clyburn says a reprimand will do. President Trump says he has not been following the controversy, and late this afternoon, House Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy met with King. So far, no one involved is commenting on that meeting.